Hey, good day everyone. I've got this dog training collar here from JUGBOW for an unboxing and review. It's model number DT-68BU. Let's check this thing out. Well, it's got vibration 1 through 9 levels, static shock 99 levels of that, one type of tone, and the applicable range is up to 4,200 feet. Well, here's everything that came in the box. Got the directions, the lanyard for the controller here, easy to hold in your hand. It's got a Type-C connection charger, and actually what you can do is you can charge this and the collar up at the same time with this. So it plugs into the USB there, and then one end can go right in there, and the other end will attach right back here magnetically into the collar. Charge them both at the same time. And we'll go ahead and put the lanyard in. So to do that, all you do is just stick this through that hole right there and loop it back out. Now that I've got that loop there, what I'll do is take this end, pull this loop through, open this loop up here, and run the rest of it through that loop right there. Now, I've got a good connection there. Okay, now to turn both of these on, this one here, just turn the power on right there. It just vibrated and the green light was beeping. And we'll turn this one on too. So right here, that's our locking mechanism. And then you can push that, you can see it's on right there. We're gonna go ahead and keep it off, keep the lock mechanism off right there. And it does turn the screen on as well. But here you can adjust all your levels and all of your functions on this. So do you see that? I push the vibrate. That's the vibrate function. And then if you want to adjust the levels on the vibrate, you push that, and then you can go on the side here, you can go up or down. Now if I push the sound, there's the sound function on that. Okay, and it's got one tone. Okay, and then here's the shock function. Now to check the shock function, we're going to need this little shock function tester right here, that little piece I'll show you. So to test the shock function on this, we're going to take these little covers off. Now we'll set this on the prods there. And now we'll push the shock button. See that thing lighting up there? And so on here, you can tighten or loosen these things with this right here. Acts as a wrench as well. So you're going to need one of these, and keep this with your kit. Thing is here, so this is made for shorter haired dogs, these little prods here. If you have a longer haired dog, you want to take these off and put these longer ones on. Then when you get the right ones that you like that fit, just put the covers over them. You don't want to put the metal on their skin, it might irritate them. So this is super easy to use. Like I said, if you want to adjust your vibrate frequency or intensity, you just push that button and it's up or down there. And then if you want to lock in your settings too, you can do that. I want to show you this channel function on here. Let's say you had a couple different dogs and a couple different collars. You can actually run a few of them at once. And so to do that, you just change your channel right there. So for the vibrate function right here, your intensity of vibrate is right up here, and this adjusts your shock. See, that's the vibrate icon there. You can go all the way up to 9 on that, and then shock, of course, will go up to 99. So a lot of little adjustments all the way up to the max. Here's what I'm talking about as far as being able to charge them both up at the same time. So we'll just put this into the USB, into the outlet, and we're charging this one and that one. Well, and this collar is really nice. It's got a quick disconnect for the clip, and it's got 2 different adjustments on here too, right here and right here, to fit your dog's neck. When you do that, when their neck goes through there and you put it on there, you want to be able to get your fingers underneath here. You don't want these things pressing into their skin really hard, so you want to put it on loose enough, tight enough to where it makes contact, but not to where it's pressing into their skin. All right, you can see we got the collar on him. And it's not too tight. I can fit a couple fingers under there. See that? It's nice and loose. Sit. Good dog. He didn't mind that training collar at all. Great collar here.